Welcome to Changhua YouTube channel. I'm Joe. Today, I want to take you guys a close look to the special project we've been working on, the Supercharger Kit for Suzuki Jimny. We've got a lot of feedbacks from customers saying that this car is lacking power. Even though you slam the throttle, the car is still not moving. I know, it sucks. But don't worry about it, because we already have a solution for this 1.5-liter engine. Come on, let's take a look. First of all, let's see the supercharger. This is the HKS newest model GTII 7040 Supercharger unit. A lot of people think it looks like a turbo, but it is called centrifugal type supercharger. Still belt driven, and it produces a very linear power. With this type of supercharger, the boost builds up when the RPM raises. The only thing I like about the setup is you don't get any noise from it. Unlike the roof type or twin screw supercharger, they make some weird sound under acceleration. HKS Supercharger is relatively quiet, which is really good because your wife or girlfriend wouldn't notice about anything you do to the car. Happy wife, happy life, you already know. Next, you'll notice there's a reservoir in here, which stores supercharger fluid inside. Basically, it is a lubrication for the supercharger itself. And it also has a cooling core, which you can see in here, to ensure that the fluid is working at the perfect temperature. Let's take a look at the intake piping. It's probably the first thing you'll see when I pop the hood. This bright yellow color, really shiny and gorgeous. The kit comes with the polished aluminum color piping, but we do offer an option for customized piping color, whether it's powder coating or anodizing process. It adds your personal taste and characteristic to the car, which is pretty cool and unique. And for the piping layout, we try to minimize the length in order to reduce lag and increase the throttle response. For the horsepower increase, the Supercharger Kit adds 50% more power to the car. In the previous video, we did the dyno test on the other supercharged Jimny. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll put the link down below in the comment section. So go check that out if you wonder how much power it makes to the wheel on the dyno. For those Jimny owners out there, we all know that adding weight to this car is a killer for the power, especially cruising in mid-high speed. But don't get me wrong, I will definitely put aftermarket exterior parts on this car as well, just like our demo car here. We have hammer, front and rear bumper, roof rack, leather in the back, and LED light set. They look absolutely fantastic. But all these parts are roughly 80 kilograms, plus bigger wheels, bigger tires, and those extra chassis parts. That is probably the reason that makes the car hard to accelerate. With this HKS Supercharger Kit, it really improves the straight line speed or towing and hauling capability in both on-road and off-road conditions. Last but not least, this Supercharger Kit runs perfectly with stock engine and automatic transmission. We are running 0.5 bar of boost, which is 7.2 psi, with stock injectors. This kit is fairly easy to install and can be returned back to stock without any problem. Alright, enough talking, let's hit the road and go for a drive.
All right, let's go.
we're on the way to mountain. We're going to test some winding roads, maybe climb some hills, and just to test how fast the acceleration is. So right now this car is lift up 3 inches. I do feel like it's a little shaky, you know? But I wouldn't say it's unstable, but maybe I'm just used to driving like low sports car, and I need some time to get used to this. But so far it's so good. It's pretty fun to drive actually. Alright, let's see how fast this thing goes. This thing is faster than I thought it would be. And I do feel that supercharger kicking in as the RPM gets higher, which is really good. Alright, let's see overtaking this Honda. Easy. I feel the power and torque coming from the wheel. Now that's called the supercharged Jimny. Right now we're going up hills, and I don't feel like this car is heavy, you know? Maybe it's because the extra power and torque that makes this car goes up pretty fast. See, I don't have to hold up at a high RPM. Right now it's around 3,000 to 4,000 RPM, and it's comfortable to drive with because of that extra torque and power. This thing is nice. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to see more photos and check out more information, follow our Instagram and Facebook accounts. Or you can just simply send us an email for more information. Again, thank you for watching. My name is Joe. I'll see you guys in the next video.